Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video I'm gonna be unboxing this brand new monitor I got. It's an LG, where is it? LG UK 50T 32 inch, and it is the 4K monitor. You guys can tell it here. Outstanding Ultra HD performance is assured. We'll see about that. It has the DCI-P3 95% typical. I do not know what this means, but it does say that it's supposed to be the color space that is currently standard utilized by the film industry. I am going into film, so that's why I got it. And it's supposed to have the FreeSync technology, so I can do a little bit of gaming. But let's go ahead and get this set up. Alright guys, and here's the monitor. Is the very first thing we see. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this to the side. Alright. Display quality assurance report. The stand. Part of the stand. Brick, power brick, and the CDs. Alright, you guys, so here's the back. I did not know it was white in the back, because in the front it's actually black. But it does have the LG logo up here, 2 HDMI cables, the let's see here, this is a DP in HP, and then the this is the microphone and the power. Alright, and here's the front. You guys can tell 4K, FreeSync, and all that stuff. The LG logo right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the cables in. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it on. Alright guys, it seems like it also has a speaker. It has one button layout. With that one button you go ahead and control everything. But let's go ahead and see the volume.
No, it just makes it feel like nobody has any agency or purpose beyond that. It's contrived.
Alright guys, one thing I noticed is that even though the monitor does say that the volume's all the way up, I thought it had very crappy speakers because it would sound like this.
I'm afraid that I barely have a minute left in this form. My powers decline.
However, one thing I noticed is that I was being dumb and the volume was down. So if I was to even take it like halfway, look at the difference. And also, before I even try, these ones are turned off. So they're not the ones where the sound is coming from.
Planning faster than I thought it would.
Let's try how I
Go home. Even so,
And the computer
I
volume
have to stop these villains.
is like this.
Heads up, we're fighting after all.
Because I am.
Yep, it does actually have really good speakers. The other one I had, which I mentioned, is the same length from corner to corner on the lower end. It was like up to here possibly, so it was a super wide screen, but it was not that. I think it was 29 inches only. But this one does look a lot better. It is 4K. This one was replacing my wide, super ultra wide monitor from LG. Literally the same, almost the same, just without the 4K, and it was the same width, just not as tall. It was like maybe up to here. And I thought to get this one since it is 4K and it will help me with my video editing, since I am going to film for the projects that I have doing all that. I do have my computer on the background and I control it with this little Logitech keyboard. Pretty much my setup looks like this. The monitor does look a lot better than the previous one, even though the previous one was only a 1080p. But I'll go ahead and edit a video about this review on this same monitor, and I'll see how it looks. But if you guys like it, go ahead and leave me any questions. I'm gonna be using this for a while. I'm not gonna change it or anything. So if you guys have any questions about this monitor, hopefully I'll have enough experience with it. Let me know and I'll be able to answer that for you. But I'll go ahead and make another video letting you guys know how I liked it so far. So good, but you know, problems don't start appearing the same day of use, but normally they happen like maybe like a week out or maybe more. But alright, go ahead, let me know what you guys liked about the monitor, at least what it looked like. If you guys like the fact that the background is, or the back of it is white. And alright, peace out guys.